Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Dinesh, Assistant Professor from SNS College of Technology. And today we are going to see about solar collectors. Okay. So, going into the topic, first we have to understand what solar collector is. Okay. So, solar collector is a device. You see, this is the solar collector. Okay. When fluid is flowed inside the collector, it will convert that cold, actually it's a cold fluid. It will convert it into hot fluid. Okay, this is the main purpose of solar collector. For example, we can say heat pump and everything works under this principle. Okay, so in this solar collectors, there are majorly classified into two types. Okay, one is concentrating, one is non concentrating solar collectors. Okay, when we come to the classification of solar collectors. Okay, in the classification of solar collectors, there are two major types. One is non-concentrating solar collectors, and the second one is concentrating solar collectors. Okay, the difference between the concentrating and the non-concentrating is the radiation. Okay, the sun radiation or the heat will concentrate at a certain point is what we call as concentrating solar collectors. And non-concentrating solar collector is it will not concentrate on a certain point. For example, we can say in olden days and in our childhood days we are using the magnifying lens. Okay, the main purpose of magnifying lens is it's a lens. So when it will absorb all the radiation and in a single place it will absorb it and we play by using this lens. Okay, so this is a type of concentrating lens, solar collector. Okay, for example, in non-concentrating solar collector, let's consider a flat plate collector. Okay, so let's consider a flat plate collector. A collector which consists of glasses, that means PV glasses in a flat surface, and there will be a tubes. Okay, there will be tubes. The tube will run inside and out like this. Okay, so here the cold fluid will enter, and here the output will be hot fluid, because this PV cells will absorb the radiation of the sun. Okay, it will absorb the radiation, and inside the cell there will be black body which is used to absorb the radiation, and also it will be insulated to reduce the thermal heat transfer. So the cold water which enter inside will come in a hot water. Okay, this is what we call it as non-concentrating solar collector, because the radiation is not concentrated on any place, it's parallelly distributed. Okay, so for example, now we will take the example for concentrating solar collector. Let's take a parabolic disc. Okay, we will see the whole experiment in a separate topic. Just let's see what it is. Okay, let's take a parabolic disc like our PV antenna. When the radiation is emitted, okay, it will be transferred to a certain receiver. Okay, this is what we call as receiver. Okay, the radiation will reflect on the parabolic disc and then it will be absorbed from the receiver. So in the receiver, the fluid will passes. Okay, so that receiver is the place where fluid will transfer. So the inside inlet of the receiver will be a cold water and the outside will be a hot water. We can not only a water, it can be of any type of fluid. Okay, this is what solar purpose and the basic major classification of concentrating and concentrating solar purpose. Thank you.